Edge delivery is not a CMS. And that is one confusion that I think a lot of people, because AEM is like an experience management server and framework and thing that you can plug stuff into, but at its heart, it's a CMS.
Mm-hmm.
Edge delivery is not a CMS because it in and of itself doesn't manage your content. It provides a way of plugging content in, and a lot of people have been employing this so far using SharePoint as their document source, where you author documents in SharePoint and then you publish them through Edge Delivery Service. Without doing it yourself, it's tough to explain why using documents to author a web page is so cool. And I was so skeptical at first. I was like, you can't tell me. I mean, I've used Microsoft Front Page in 1997. You can't tell me it's a good idea, but it's game changing. It's so fast. And for our launch customer that we're doing this with, the number of times they're used to a page, especially a really complicated page with lots of components and nested components, and like you go and you load it and it takes forever to load up. And this stuff is just so fast to work with.
Well, and the fact that, so all these content management systems, they were, developing their own WYSIWYG, right?
Yes.
And so every one wasn't bespoke, and it was up to the engineers of the product to develop that, to add new features or whatnot. Whereas there's, they sort of offload that in some of these cases, and it's in a tool that the marketing teams and the business teams are more comfortable with. So the training curve is a lot less as well.
That's actually the biggest part too, is that everybody anywhere knows how to use a word processor.